ABAT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. American battery technology stock is sitting at $2.64 and it is like 48% up for the day. The next question that will also show up is whether I'm buying or not next. Simply put would be ABAT. Another day, another 48% up, and nothing has changed except like the price is just doing these crazy movements up, right? And I'm not saying this is like it's gonna reach, well, $75 or something, because if it reaches that, then we're rich, baby. Nah, but I'm kidding. Like, yeah, we're starting to see some real pulls up, and if you don't believe me of me calling out this prediction, let me show you something. So there's this video that was made on in January, yeah, 17th of January, and this thing was already here beforehand. Like, the idea was already here, and I'm not saying this is gonna deliver and it's gonna 28x. It could, but all I'm saying is that that's why I want you to kind of understand order flow, man. Like, it's a demand area, and then it just started picking up. I did not capitalize on this because I was kind of late. But if I see some retracements, like even like a 15-minute things and stuff like that, then this is definitely a market that I'm going to long, as long as there is a correct and appropriate double break, you know. So I'll definitely keep you updated. I'm just following my edge that I've refined over all this time and data collected. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.